Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
Divided, and this follows the different parties, so that every party wants to win at all cost. Whether they cannot manage, they want to win. And so this one breeds violence. But we were talking the other time, we were saying such people, Electoral Commission has the power to speak clearly and even to cause arrest of some people who are, for example, tearing the photos of others. And when this thing is there, the Electoral Commission will be saying, hey, we said we should remain just general. It should remain peaceful and so on. But this other one is suffering. He wants justice be done. Then they want them to go to court. This time the Electoral Commission should be very clear. Somebody is being beaten. We said if you are not pleased with particular candidates, don't allow it to continue campaigning. If they can offer nothing for Uganda, why did you register? You find now you are beating people, and it is giving very bad image for the whole world. And you say we are beating the thieves, those who are corrupt, those who are disturbing the... Why did you not stop the whole party? Cut it off. Not to continue, because you don't believe in them. Let all the parties move with equal rights, and let them move peacefully. Every member must respect every Ugandan. If you are following your party leader, you should respect all the other parties as well. This question of violence, of insult, of what is not part of the election. Election is a respectable time where you show that you are really a citizen, a respected one, and you must respect yourself in all levels. So what is happening is unfortunate. And these people who are doing this should not be elected. It is so clear. They are showing their true colors, that they are not leaders to come and tolerate. You take President Museveni. The way he is so tolerant as a citizen, that is patriotism. Those whom he fought with in liberating Uganda, he still asks them, you come and work with me. Come and lead this office, but in this way, in a correct way. That is the way to go. But what about our different parties who are just here, who are at home in very Lango itself? Eh? All the parties, they should feel that friendship. Let us move and sell your manifesto. If people say no, yours we don't take, that one is more appealing and is the right one. We want to go with that one. You should go and shake hands with your friend. Say, we are going to support you. Next time I will challenge you when I've improved. But not at all costs fighting and then tearing each other, causing untold poverty and also hatred for one another. Is not acceptable, you see. So this is what Christmas comes to clarify. If we are really Christians, we must feel in our hearts that what I'm doing is not correct, and I will not do it as a Christian or as a Muslim. Because in this country, you are either Muslim or you are a Christian. We don't have now pagans anymore. Those who are pretending to use witchcraft, there are very few, but they, first and foremost, they are either Christian or they are Muslim. So they have no excuse of judgment. Christ come to judge all of us. You can't pretend before God. So we ask them, please, our journey is to heaven, and they should not pretend that they are for just this election or depending on the money which they are giving to people. We don't know where they are getting this money, but if it is our money, the taxpayer, that's another issue again. they should be arrested for that. So this is why the youthful nation like ours, they should really protest any violence and protest any buying of anybody, because this nation belongs to you. You are the really leaders, the youth. Because if we just look and we let things go like that and don't make a correct choice, we are the one going to suffer. The youth are the ones, the sufferers. No job, no what, no money, no medicine in the hospital. You are suffering, you don't have money. The service of the government, they cannot serve you. And then schools are not up to date. Classrooms are like crans. You see, no windows, no what. Everything is looking very funny. We need really leaders who are God-fearing, who knows Christ and who knows God. And this is really a serious moment of discernment.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.